Hello and Namaste. You are watching Gyaan Basket. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and vital. What if an asteroid several kilometers in diameter, a celestial behemoth from the depths of space, is racing on an unavoidable collision course to our fragile planet? The thought is nothing short of terrifying, conjuring images of apocalyptic devastation. While it may sound like the stuff of science fiction and nightmares, but it's a very real and potential threat to life on Earth. In fact, Earth has experienced numerous close encounters with these cosmic projectiles throughout its history, proving that the threat cannot be ignored. The celestial bodies that dot our night sky may appear benign, but they hold the potential to cause a cosmic catastrophe. Picture, if you will, an asteroid impact. The initial explosion would be akin to multiple nuclear bombs detonating at once. The shockwaves from this explosion could flatten cities, turning structures into rubble in seconds. But the immediate destruction is just the tip of the iceberg. The impact would throw up an enormous cloud of dust and debris, enough to block out the sun. This could lead to a phenomenon known as an impact winter. With sunlight blocked, global temperatures would plummet, disrupting ecosystems and leading to mass extinctions. Plants at the base of the food chain would be the first to go, starving herbivores and causing a domino effect up the food chain. Our agricultural systems too would collapse, leading to widespread famine. Civilization as we know it would be brought to its knees. And let's not forget the millions of small pieces of debris created by such an impact. These would orbit the Earth, posing a significant risk to our satellites, space stations, and future space missions. You see, the threat of an asteroid impact is not just about a single cataclysmic event. It's about the potential to disrupt life on Earth at every level, from the smallest organism to the most complex systems of human civilization. And this is not just a theoretical risk. Our planet's history is punctuated by asteroid impacts. The dinosaurs, the most dominant creatures to have ever lived, were wiped out by one such event. So, it's not a question of if an asteroid will hit Earth, but when. And when that day comes, will we be ready? The answer lies in our collective efforts to detect and deflect these potential planet killers, efforts like the OSIRIS REx mission. But more on that in the next scene. Enter OSIRIS REx, humanity's proactive response to this cosmic threat. Our story takes us to the halls of NASA, where this daring mission was conceived. OSIRIS REx, which stands for Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security Regolith Explorer, is much more than a mouthful. It's the embodiment of human curiosity and our drive to safeguard our home. The mission's goals are as ambitious as its name suggests. OSIRIS REx is tasked to journey millions of miles to meet asteroid Bennu, a potentially hazardous space rock. It aims to study Bennu up close and personal, understand its composition, and bring back a piece of it to Earth for further analysis. But how do you design a spacecraft capable of such a high-stakes mission? Enter the OSIRIS REx spacecraft, a marvel of modern engineering. It's equipped with a suite of scientific instruments to map Bennu in detail, analyze its composition, and even capture a sample. These instruments work together like the world's most advanced space detective, seeking out clues about Bennu's past and potential future. At the heart of OSIRIS REx's mission is the study of asteroid Bennu. This space rock is classified as a potentially hazardous asteroid, one that could pose a threat to Earth in the future. By studying Bennu, we can gain insights into how to mitigate the risk of a potential asteroid impact. It's like a cosmic fire drill, preparing us for a worst-case scenario. But OSIRIS REx is more than a scientific mission. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our determination to protect our planet. It's about understanding the universe around us, not just for academic curiosity, but to ensure our survival in this cosmic neighborhood. OSIRIS REx isn't just a mission, it's our safeguard against potential cosmic catastrophe. The odyssey of OSIRIS REx isn't a simple stroll through the park, it's a daring dance through the cosmic ballet of our solar system. Our journey begins on September 8, 2016, as OSIRIS REx takes flight from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Its destination? Bennu, a diamond-shaped asteroid about 500 meters in diameter, some 200 million miles away. To reach its target, OSIRIS REx must perform a series of complex maneuvers, using both the gravity of Earth and the Sun to slingshot itself toward Bennu. This gravity assist is a testament to the ingenuity of human engineering. turning the very forces of the cosmos to our advantage. After a year in space, OSIRIS REx swings back around Earth, gaining a speed boost from our planet's gravity to catapult itself onto Bennu's trajectory. This intricate dance is performed with the precision of a Swiss watch, a testament to the skill and dedication of the mission team back on Earth. Upon reaching Bennu in December 2018, OSIRIS REx doesn't immediately land. Instead, it spends 2 years conducting a comprehensive survey of the asteroid's surface. This isn't just sightseeing, it's a critical mission phase. The spacecraft maps Bennu's terrain, studying its geology and scrutinizing its composition. It's hunting for the perfect sample site, a spot that could hold clues to the origins of our solar system and the building blocks of life. This survey isn't without its challenges. Bennu is a spinning top, rotating every 4.5 hours. Its surface is littered with boulders, some as large as houses. Maneuvering around these obstacles requires precision and patience, but OSIRIS REx proves up to the task, navigating Bennu's hazardous terrain with the grace of an experienced explorer. OSIRIS REx, the cosmic voyager, has brought Bennu a distant cosmic wonder within our reach. Now, let's delve into the crowning moment of the OSIRIS REx mission, the collection of samples from Bennu's surface. Imagine a spacecraft millions of miles away from Earth performing a delicate dance with an asteroid. This intricate performance, known as the touch-and-go maneuver, or TAG for short, is what OSIRIS REx embarked upon to achieve its mission. In a feat of engineering and precision, the spacecraft reached out to Bennu with its robotic arm, gently touched the asteroid's surface, and collected samples of rock and dust. The TAG maneuver was not just a quick touch and go. It was a carefully calculated operation that required the spacecraft to descend slowly towards Bennu, extend its sampling arm, and precisely target a location on the asteroid's rocky surface. But the tension didn't end there. To ensure that the sample collection was successful, the spacecraft had to then back away safely, without disturbing the asteroid or jeopardizing the mission. The moment of truth arrived when OSIRIS REx released a burst of nitrogen gas to stir up the surface material. This cloud of asteroid particles was then quickly captured in the spacecraft's sample collector before it had a chance to drift away into space. It was a delicate operation, but one that OSIRIS REx pulled off flawlessly. The mission's success was beyond expectations. OSIRIS REx didn't just meet its minimum sample collection requirement, it exceeded it. The spacecraft managed to collect a substantial amount of material from Bennu, offering us a treasure trove of information about this ancient asteroid and its secrets. This was not just a sample collection, it was a monumental achievement. It marked the first time that NASA has collected samples from an asteroid in space, bringing us one step closer to understanding the origins of our solar system and possibly life itself. The samples gathered by OSIRIS REx may hold the keys to answering some of the most profound questions about our place in the universe. With a handful of ancient cosmic dust, OSIRIS REx has opened a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. Asteroid soil, which is also called the regolith in scientific terms, has finally been successfully brought back to Earth on September 24, 2023, that is after completion of 7 long years of space exploration. In fact, you will be surprised to know that the spacecraft which was carrying the asteroid sample didn't land on the Earth at all. It just dropped the regolith from the upper atmosphere into the Utah desert of the US. As we speak, the spacecraft is on its way to continue on to a new mission to explore the asteroid Apophis. Now that is something, I would say, a really fascinating science. The mission's success doesn't end with a safe return. The real victory lies in the analysis of the collected samples. These fragments of the past, locked away for billions of years, hold keys to understanding the early solar system and the building blocks of life. Scientists around the globe eagerly await the arrival of this cosmic time capsule. The data could provide insights into the origins of water and organic molecules on Earth, and possibly the seeds of life itself. But OSIRIS REx's legacy extends beyond the realm of scientific discovery. It has set the stage for future asteroid study and deflection missions. The knowledge gained from this mission will be instrumental in shaping our strategies to guard our planet against potential asteroid impacts. It has proved that we can reach out, touch the stars, and bring back a piece of the universe. In the grand scheme of things, OSIRIS REx is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome astronomical challenges. It's not just a mission to an asteroid, it's a journey to better understand our place in the cosmos. The future of asteroid exploration is bright, with planned missions aiming to further our understanding of these celestial bodies. Government agencies and private corporations, inspired by the success of OSIRIS REx, are gearing up to embark on their own asteroid missions. The cosmos is no longer a place we simply gaze at. It's a place we're learning to navigate and understand. With missions like OSIRIS REx, we're not just exploring the universe, we're ensuring our survival within it. So that's it for today. Be sure to stay tuned to Gyaan Basket for more captivating space and science topics. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update. And remember, as we unravel the wonders of the cosmos, we also take steps to protect our precious blue planet. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep looking up.